This is just another step towards that great day when all human interaction is a thing of the past. We all stare at these screens in our wheelchairs like in WALL-E. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Travis. We're back with another hero's journey. In this episode, we are unboxing the iPad mini Generation 6. I have my trusty iPad mini 4 right here, which has served me very well. It really is in great condition. I got an awesome estimate on this. I'm still debating if I'm gonna keep this as a backup, a side guy. That sounded weird. But we'll see, but let's get to the main event here. Let's do it. Now, I love how Amazon says delivering small businesses. It's kind of like ironic, even though, you know, they kind of are. I mean, now it's like basically just the shopping hub. You go to Amazon, you shop there, you can support smaller businesses on Amazon. But just kind of ironic, I guess. Very pretty little display we got going on here. It says mini there. So, oh look, my ring light is shining off the reflection. There you go. Murphy's Law has went into effect. Did not see that coming. See, I'm going manual focus, so I have to stay in this little zone right where the ring light is. Perfect. Yeah, the iPad mini, it really is my favorite device. I probably use it the most for just consuming things on the internet at your house. It's hard to really beat the iPad mini. It's so small, you can just hold it in your hand like that. The bigger iPads are a little more challenging, and then it's big enough, whereas it doesn't feel like when you're using your phone around the house and you're kind of just staring at the little text and you're squinting, you put your reading glasses on. It really is like the prime example of just like a perfect little futuristic tablet that we probably all envisioned back in the Flintstone days. All right, let's do it. Now, as Apple usually does, we have a crazy, oh, that's kind of nice. Oh, okay. Crazy little side pull. And then we have just, you know, normal plastic. We're live now, so no turning back. Let's get rid of that. The box, oh man, it's just beautiful. And this is the Starlight color, and this is the 256 gigabytes. Because I'm gonna tell you straight up, you do not want to get any device these days that only has 64 gigabytes. You're gonna eat up that storage just moving over your old data to your new phone, new iPad. That's why I'm also curious or just concerned why Apple on the new Mac Studios, also the iMacs, the base model comes with 256 gigabytes. On a computer these days, you want to at least get a terabyte or two, but that's pretty crazy because, you know, footage, and if you're a video editor and shoot photos or video, that stuff's only getting bigger and bigger. So now HEVC is helping it get smaller, but we're not fully there yet. So, all right, we're taking the top cover off. We have oh, it's right here. Oh my God, it's right here. Right away, feeling this thing, oh my Lord. This thing is awesome. Whoa, and this color, okay. I was scared about this color. It's Starlight. It's supposed to be the new silver, but it kind of looked gold, and I don't really want a gold one. Before we get to the main event, let's check out a few of these little things. So you get, you know, a nice USB-C to USB-C. Those are great. They give you a brick. That's very nice, Apple. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. The iPad mini 6, it actually charges via USB-C. This is more fancy than an iPhone 13, which in theory, the iPad is basically an iPhone 13. Has the same chip, but this thing is a work of art. This color, this is awesome. I don't know, everyone that was saying that it kind of looks gold. It kind of does on a certain light, but just straight up when you pick it up and look at it, you're like, oh, this is silver. This is perfect. Because, you know, space gray, I don't know why people try to claim space gray as a classic. I mean, maybe, but space gray was almost trying to replace silver at one point, and it kind of did. It took over. Space gray was the new silver, kind of. For me, that's the classic Mac. I mean, back in the day, my PowerBook, my first Apple computer was a PowerBook G4, I think 2004 or 5. And it was silver, and this looks silver. Wow. So a couple other just quick pieces of info. It has some nice little top grills for the speaker and bottom grills. That USB-C is right there. This thing's beautiful. The volumes are on the top left and right. This screen's amazing. It also has more of it's squared, like I could place this down and it would stand up straight, as opposed to the kind of round edges of the older iPhones and iPads. Now all the iPhones and iPads are going more the square, back to the square route. Just so everyone knows, the iPad mini 4 is basically an iPhone 6. Somehow, in perfect condition, iPad mini 4, it's been my best friend. So we're looking for a new best friend. Don't know if I'm gonna sell that or not yet. It's hard to let go. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. Become my new best friend. Relationships with actual humans is kind of, a thing of the past. Now it's all about a simulation into us becoming one with robots. This is just another step towards that great day when all human interaction is a thing of the past and we all stare at these screens in our wheelchairs like in WALL-E. Yeah, looking forward to it. Thanks for tuning in to another hero's journey. Till next time, peace.